You will agree with me that thumbnails play a major role in growing a YouTube channel, but not everybody have the creative designing skills to create awesome thumbnails, which is why you see a lot of horrible, awful thumbnails on YouTube. I'm sure you must have come across one or two of them. But guess what? If you're a YouTuber, whether old, new, or intending, I have an amazing news for you. Now, I found an AI that is a text to thumbnail generator. What it simply means is that once you put in your prompt, it's going to generate amazing thumbnail that is going to get lots of click and lots of views for you. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer. Just come closer and let's dive in. So to use this platform, all you have to do is to come over here and put in your project name. Building the world's tallest Lego tower, 20 meters, and you click on get started. And then on the second page, it's going to ask you for some info about the project. Then you're going to take your time and explain about the video that you're making. Then the second option here, you can see select your YouTube category. So you're going to select your category. It could be anything, whether entertainment, beauty and fashion, gaming, food and cooking, technology, sports, and all whatnot. So just select anyone that your video is about and go with it. So we're going to select entertainment. And then on this page, it's going to tell you to choose a style. Here you can see the style of thumbnail that it can generate for you. Is this not amazing? And these are clickable thumbnails. So you can see minimalistic, you can see text-based, and then you can see photo manipulation. So anyone that you want, you just click on it and then click on continue. And then on this page, you're going to upload your images. Click on browse file, select the images that you want to use for the thumbnail, and then click OK. And then select your elements. Here you select your elements and then click on continue. And then here is where you input your prompt. So you have to get really creative to come up with a creative thumbnail. It's amazing how you can achieve this thing with just text. So go ahead and input a simple but yet very creative prompt like this. Colorful background with grass, blue sky, or building with a tall Lego tower. The text in the image should be 20 meters or me, or build the tallest Lego tower in the world, and then you click on continue. And the AI will go ahead and design your thumbnail in just a few seconds, and it's going to give you the best resolution ever. So you can see here right now that we have selected this one. All you have to do is to click on download, and then you download it straight to your folder. So I know by now you'll be wondering the name of this AI tool. Well, it's no other than Tumbly.ai. As you can see, it says create YouTube thumbnails that get clicks. But for now, it's not open to the general public. You have to join the waiting list. So all you have to do is to come over here, put your email address, and then click on I am not a robot. Of course, you're not a robot. Are you a robot? You can imagine an AI asking me, that is a human being, if I'm a robot. Come on, man. So you have to tell it that, okay, I'm not a robot like you. All you have to do, just go ahead and click here and click on join the wait list to be added to the wait list. And then they will get back to you as soon as it gets to your turn. So here is the catch. If you join the wait list using the link in my description, it's going to move me up and grant me access faster. Then I can make a very detailed tutorial for you guys. That is why I had to hurriedly make this video and show you guys this platform so that you can use my link and sign up and move me up so that I can get access faster and create an awesome tutorial for you guys so that you can learn ahead of time how you can use this to make a lot of good thumbnails that is going to get you a lot of clicks and in turn give you lots of views. And then I recommend that you go watch this video next to learn how you can use AI to make money online for yourself. So go ahead and watch the video and thank me later. Cordial goes on.